Hey guys, Andrew here, and today we'll be making a short laptop upgrade video. So I will be using the Acer Aspire E15, and we'll be upgrading it by taking out the optical drive and replacing it with this SSD and SSD adapter. Open up Documents, go to this PC, and as you see there, that right there is my hard drive, and that right there is the upgraded storage, which I'm going to format in a second. I'll start formatting it now. So yeah, upgrade your laptop if you have a optical drive that you never use, in order to create more space for your device, because it's a really awesome technique to get more storage for your laptop, and you can buy these laptops for cheaper and upgrade to the same amount of storage, so it's very much worth it. I'm Andrew, guys, and I'm out. Bye-bye.